is where we come together to learn and unlearn and also relearn. And basically, we try to put out things that might help someone else that is going to come across this live stream in the near future. I've been talking about Korra Obidi, we spoke about Power Obidi, the women in the WhatsApp section, WhatsApp group, right? We've been talking about all of those, and there are lessons to learn on each live stream. We've talked about when you see something, say something. We'll talk about speak up for baby A. And the case, as we all know, are still in court, which will be heard next month in October. We'll still be following the case as the whole thing unravel, and we'll come here to lend our opinion and also lend our voices. So if you're coming in for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you're watching from YouTube, follow me on Facebook as well, because here is all positive and we don't entertain negativity. So if you come with negative energy, be rest assured that my ladies in the comment section are going to do you good by putting you on timeout. All right, so welcome all of you. Sonia Pink, thank you so much for joining me today. Louise, thank you for joining as well. All right, I was meant to discuss today's topic yesterday, and the title says, Doc, why the lies? Okay, and I'm referring to a post that was made on Facebook saying, I know my kids' videos are posted online, are shared online, someone is violating. Let me get it right so we don't miss words. Okay, so let me just get it right. I don't want to miss words when I'm reading that comment. Okay, so yes, I know my kids are being shown online. Yes, it is a court order violation. Then if you come down to the comment section of that video, you will see him, yes, block trap loading. So this is misinformation if he was using to entice people to talk. And then let's get back to the question, why all the lies? According to Korra Obidi, made all of us believe that restraining order not to show the children on social media expired when that order expired in April. But Mr. Korra Obidi is still telling people that restraining order not to show the children is still in place. The last time I checked, when we talked about his own restraining order that he got recently, it was for Korra and anybody related to Korra to stop directly or indirectly. So it has nothing specifically to do with the children's images, pictures, and all of that being shared online. So my question to you that is watching me right now, do you think that this man is actually gaslighting his followers to come on rampage? Is that what he's giving? And if the word gaslighting will actually plead for some people to stop using them, number one in the list will be Mr. Korra Obidi, because every comment he makes or replies, he makes reference to you're gaslighting somebody, you're gaslighting somebody. And I love the way some people captured what has been going on with all the comments he's leaving on people's pages. Now, restraining order, even if the court says it's permanent, I'm going to be giving you guys instances, especially bringing it back to the restraining orders that have been gotten since Korra Obidi and the ex-husband has been on social media over this divorce issue. Let's start with Crystal. Crystal was given a restraining order by the court when Korra sought for the court's assistance in helping her salvage what she felt was really her problem. This woman, Crystal, shared the children's videos and pictures within a circle of, will I say, how will I call those women? Within their membership in WhatsApp group, Facebook, and all of that. And that the video shared, the picture shared, according to the court documents, say they were what? Explicit pictures of the children and inappropriate videos of the children. That's what Korra Obidi's court documents said. Based on those review, the court granted Korra the orders, passing judgment against Crystal not to talk about Korra, not to do anything, not to come around Korra and her children. The children were also covered under restraining order. Now, The document, that restraining order document said permanent restraining order, but it was given out for 3 years. Now, restraining order has expiration date. The one Mr. Korra Obidi got, which will now make his second restraining order, recently acquired over the course of this divorce saga, was the one gotten by Mr. Korra Obidi against Korra. Not to talk about him with his family, directly or indirectly, that was the restraining order. That one was extended because the court could not hear their case on September 19. It was extended all the way to October pending hearing. Okay? Now, by the time they go to for hearing in October, most likely after determining the case, the court will now decide whether to grant a continuance in terms of that restraining order or whether to end the restraining order sought by Mr. Korra Obidi. That is second restraining order. Let's go back a little bit to the restraining order that we are giving to them when the judge passed the judgment saying the case should not appear on their social media platform. That restraining order was good up until April. I can't remember if it was April this year or April last year, but I want to believe it could be April this year. I know it will be somewhere in my archives, but for some reason, I did not go to retrieve them before this live stream. Guys, let me clean my glasses so I can see you guys well. All right. By the way, how are you guys doing? Dorcas, I can see you. Thank you for joining me today. Laura Lee, I believe I've welcomed you. If I haven't, thank you for joining me as well. So, guys, as you come into the live stream, like this video for me, okay? Like, share, and subscribe. Now, back to the story, because I want to give us, a backstory so that we can all understand what is going on here. And also you make up your mind who is lying about violation of court order. You have to decide yourself. The restraining order on the children images, pictures, and videos being shared on social media ended in April. According to Korra Obidi, Korra said that has expired. And when that expired, Korra was able to share her case on social media. The moment Mr. Korra Obidi saw that Korra shared the pictures of the children, he went and got Facebook, that's Meta, privacy protection on the children's images. Now, so what he has right now against Korra is with Meta, not with the court. There is no specific document that we've seen so far that placed those restraining order on the children. If Mr. Korra Obidi thinks there is, let him put one out there for people to see. Because I've been searching that. I've not seen anyone that is restraining on the children. The one that is continuing, the restraining order that is still pending hearing, that will be determined on their court date in October, is on Mr. Korra Obidi, restraining Korra not to speak about him directly or indirectly. That is the only restraining order that is still pending that we've seen. We have copies of, because everything was shared on social media. And if you want to get a court document, all you need to do is to subscribe to the website that is making those things available, and you'll get a copy. Because you know why? They are all public documents. Now, welcome, 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 all of you. Thank you for joining me today. Gloria, thank you for being here. I appreciate all of you. Like I said, guys, if you come in, please do me well by liking the live stream, share as well, and join in the conversation. So, I hope I've been able to clear our understanding so we can be able to understand the topic I want to discuss today. I'm talking about why the lies. Trying to see if I can find something to hold my hair. It's bothering me on my skin, on my neck. Anyway, if my kids come around, I will see who I will send to get that for me. So please do me well by liking this live stream. I'm here talking. I don't see the lights go on. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so, and contribute in the comment section. Okay. Now, I'm going to go back to that Facebook page so we can make reference to what we are talking about. You guys know I work with facts. I hate hearsay. You have to provide evidence for me to believe what you're saying. You can't just say something and I will run with it. If you're saying something, be ready to have something to back it up. That helps me. All right. Now, this statement was made 2 days ago. Yes, I know my kids are being shown online. Yes, it is a court order violation. I want to know, please educate me. Mr. Korobidi, if you come across this video, because I know you see my videos, I know you watch them, because that's why you blocked my Facebook page that is not even following you. So you typed my name, you searched for my name, and you blocked me. So you're watching me. So if you come across this video from your numerous women in the WhatsApp group, I will screenshot this video to send to you. If there is any court order that Korra Obidi is violating, please share with us. Let's know. Okay? Don't come and tell me that you're not going to share. It's not a personal document. It is a public document. And secondly, if you could share your court document that you have showing the charge Korra is asking the court for legal fees from you when you made a video showing us your court document saying that the lawyer's fee was 4,500, not 75,000. If you could share that, you could share any of those court documents. Okay. So I hope to hear from you sharing, because like I said, I don't work with hearsay. I work with evidence. Prove it, there is a violation of any court document by Korra Obidi, and then we'll come up here to talk about it. If you don't prove it, then what we know is what we are going to believe. Now, a lot of people were talking in the comment section of this video. Those talking in favor of Mr. Korra Obidi and those talking against what he posted in favor of Korra Obidi. It was just like, you know, an argument going back and forth between two people. Hey, Treasure G's, thank you for joining me today. I saw what you sent to me. I wanted to reply. Then I had a meeting, and before you know it, that was it for me for the day. I apologize. Tomorrow we are going to chat about it, and my baby is doing well. I can see. Thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate it. And by the way, why are you still awake? All right, Glenn, thank you for joining as well. So now, why am I talking about this particular statement? Okay, why am I talking about this particular statement? You're going to hear my opinion. And for any, let's clear the doubt and clear everything. I want evidence. Prove me wrong. I work with facts, figures, evidence, not with hearsay. Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me, guys. My door was locked and sorry about that, guys. My garage door was locked, so they couldn't have access to the house. All right. So let's see. Where was I? Okay. So everything we are going to talk about, discuss in my channel, will make sure we comply with the Copyright Act of 1976 that allow for fair use. Here we use information we receive, evidence and facts we got for what educational purposes, for criticism, and also for what? For learning, for informational purposes, so that we can be well informed in case any of these things should happen to any of us or people that might come to watch this video in the future. So let me put this out here, okay? Now, Bishop said there is no court order except his Facebook right. Guys, give me 1 second. My daughter just came. All right, so Okay, guys, I'm a little rattled. My kids just came back and she was excited. She has homework. So, okay. Now, from my perspective, I will tell you why I made my title is Doc Why Lies. If he is very right, there was a violation of court order. It's not on Facebook, we'll be hearing about it. That is number one. Especially from someone like him who knows the way to the court, who believes that, yeah, he uses the law and all of that to get what he wants. So he's very knowledgeable about his rights, okay, and what he can get and how he can process his issues through the court. So from him, I would tell you, yeah, he knows what to do, definitely not on Facebook. Secondly, his comment is kind of betraying the statement he made. He said it was block trap loading. So he put that thing out there to gaslight people, to keep talking, keep commenting, so that he will have opportunity of blocking those he feels that are saying things that he doesn't like. One thing is to be on social media, and another thing is to gaslight the internet. Internet have keyboard warriors. When I mean keyboard warriors, they are warriors because you can't tell them what to type and what not to type. So when you put false information out there or something they feel that is not true, you can't tell them not to react. You wanted them to react. That's the first reason why you posted something for the internet to talk. So when they now start talking, you see avenue to block people. It's good to block people when you feel that they are bothering you. Yes, I am what? I'm an advocate of that. If you don't like somebody, block the page and move on. I've said it several times. If you think this person is giving you the heat you cannot tolerate, block the person and move on. But the thing is, once you're bringing your affairs to social media, be ready emotionally to deal with what will come up with it, because there is always what consequences for every action we put out there. So he put